Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I will show how to solve Jpeg pic not opening in Windows 11. Let's go start and follow me. Press the Windows key and type Settings into the search bar. Click on the Settings option. Choose Apps in the sidebar. Click on Installed Apps on right-hand menu. Do a search or scroll down until you find Microsoft Photos. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the three-dot menu for this item and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the option Reset. There are three options under this: buttons to repair, to reset, and to uninstall. Clicking the Reset button did the trick for me, and I cannot double-click a photo file, and it will open in this app. Close the window and restart the PC. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.